Snowbank Rebecca.
Oh, well, freeze my boiler, it's cold. Woo, we had better get under perfectly warm ground, Haley and Hera. Why is my boiler cold? Oh, we must get into a shed. Right, said Mia and Molly. You are all very busy today. Rebecca, you must take the jet engine to the stations to be powered. You must take the express along, and you must help Melody take trucks to the smelters yards. Oh, how exciting! Working in the snow during the beautiful winter time. I'm going to collect a jet engine. I wonder what that is. Hi, Thomas. Hi, Rebecca. How are you? I'm fine, thank you, Thomas. Can I ask you something? Of course. What is a jet engine? Oh, a jet engine makes you go really fast. One time I pulled a jet engine and I went jetting all the way around the island of Sodor. All the other engines, they were amazed. I miss those days. Well, don't worry, Thomas. I'm going to collect the jet engine right now, and I'll go jetting around the island of Sodor, too. What? Is that the jet engine again? Rebecca! Oh, no, James. It is, Gordon. The jet engine. Evelyn, hi. Hi, Evelyn. Wait up for me. So, Evelyn. So, Rebecca. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you, Evelyn. Where's your train going? To the smelter's yard to be smelted up, and then I shall pull my very first passenger train. Look at me. I'm taking a jet engine to the stations that don't have enough coal to be heated up. Now that that job's done, Rebecca, let's go and rest before it's time for the next passenger train. Okay, driver. I just wonder how Evelyn is doing. Woohoo! My very first passenger train. Careful, Evelyn. We aren't running a race. We are then. Is it time to go to the station yet, driver? I'm so impatient. Nearly time, Rebecca. We'll just have to wait a couple more minutes. Oh, look, it's time. Yeah, come on. We've got to hurry. We're late. We've got to hurry. We're late. Yeah, come on, Snowbank. Move. Oh, good thing I got off of that Snowbank. Oh, no. There's another one up ahead. Stop. Oh, good thing I stopped. Hi, Rebecca. Good afternoon. If you don't mind my asking, where's your Lucky Charm? What? My Lucky Charm? Where is it? Why is it not there? Where it's supposed to be? Where is it? It could be anywhere. I'm wondering what took Rebecca so long. Oh, where is it? Where's my Lucky Charm? My Lucky Charm could be anywhere stuck in the snow. Stop quivering. Okay, driver. I remember having it in the shed before going to collect my passengers, and I remember it having it on the first snowbank. Is it here? Is it here? No. Hi, Den. Hi, Rebecca. Is it in this siding? No, it's not. Oh, where is that Rebecca? The train is getting too heavy now. We can't go any further. Yes, we can, Melody. Push it. It's not at the junction either. I might as well give up looking for the Lucky Charm. No. Oh, that jolt. Oh, Melody, what happened? We can't go any further. The train won't get to the smelter's yard, all thanks to you. Sorry, I lost my Lucky Charm on a snowbank. Now we'll be late, and the fat controller will be cross. Sorry, Melody, I will help you. There's the smelter's yard. We're here. There's your lucky charm, Rebecca. Thank you, Melody. There's where it went. Come on, let's go home, Melody. Right.